What does she do? Well, that ain't very loud.
She does snore.
She does.
Yeah.
When does she snore?
At night,
She don't snore in the morning?
sometimes in the morning, rattle the pains.
Like how? Yes, indeed. Too late. Well, so what are y'all gonna do about it?
We're gonna catch her and get her a slip test run on her.
What they gonna tell her?
You need to slip up in your machine. Or snoring loud, rattle the pains.
Rattle the rattle pains.
Yeah.
The weather pains. Alright. Well, you be sure and tell Dr. Koreshi.
Okay.